So this is all the common Mercedes dashboard warning lights and also what they mean. Make sure to always double check because it's so many of them and I might have made maybe a mistake. I don't know. I double checked and everything seems fine, but make sure to double check yourself as well. And yeah, let's go. So the first one here, this one means the check engine here, and it's the engine emission fault here, as you can see. This one, this battery symbol here, it means charging system problem. This one is oil pressure, that means low oil pressure here. This is the coolant temperature, so that means the engine is overheating. This is the brake warning, so the brake system fault. Parking brake is on. Number 7 here, ABS. So this is the ABS malfunction. This one right here, it means the ESP, traction control, stability control issue. This one, a really common one. This one right here, this is the tire pressure, so the TPMS. So that means low tire pressure. Very important to fix that, of course. So airbag, CRS, as we can see, airbag system fault for this one. Seat belt, so this one means the seat belt is not fastened, also extremely common, just so you know. And here is the power steering, so this means steering assist fault. This one, brake pad wear, brake pads worn here. Low fuel for this one, so the fuel level is low. Washer fluid, so refill your washer fluid. This means, of course, that the door is open, so door is not closed. And this means that the trunk is open, and this one means that the hood is open. So this one means glow plug here, as you can see, so it means that the diesel preheat fault. This one, the AdBlue one, so AdBlue is low or it's something is faulty with it. DPF, so diesel filter issue. And this one means coolant level here, as you can see, so the coolant level is low. Transmission, so this is transmission fault. Service wrench, so this means that service is required. I will not ignore this one either, by the way. Key warning, so key not detected. Start stop system status. Lane keep assist, so lane assist warning. Blind spot assist, blind spot warning, also important to check, of course. Collision warning, collision risk alert. Yeah, this one is very scary. Attention assist, driver fatigue alert. Make sure to not drive, of course, if you are very tired or tired in general. Parking sensors, so parking assist warning. Cruise control is active. High beam is on. Fog lights is on. Turn signal indicator active. Headlamp range light fault. So this means that exterior light fault here, as you can see. So this one is the 36, what I believe to be very common Mercedes dashboard warnings and what they mean. But always make sure to double check because I might have made maybe one mistake. I'm not sure. I did once again double check, but make sure to double check as well for yourself for your specific warning.